take a listening test in English. You will listen and then choose your answers on the computer. When you take the listening test, you will see a big picture first. Look at the picture and listen.
Look at the big picture. The big picture shows students and their teacher outdoors on a field trip.
Then click the next button. This is the speaker. You will listen to the speaker. Then you will listen to the question.
Wow! Look at these nice flowers.
Which picture shows a flower?
The big picture may help you as you listen. Look at the answer choices. Click on a circle to choose an answer. You can click on a different circle to change your answer. After you choose your answer, click the next button to continue. You might see a question like this one. Listen to the speakers and then listen to the question. Look, I see some birds.
Oh yeah, some birds are in the tree. What are the student and teacher talking about? Click on the box that shows this.
You will see the answer choices in the picture. Click on a box in the picture to choose an answer. You can click on a different box to change your answer. You might see a question like this one. Listen to the speakers and then listen to the question.
Today was fun.
I'm glad you had a good time. What was your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part of the day was when I saw a squirrel on a big rock.
Where did the girl see a squirrel? Move the squirrel there.
You will see the answer choices in the big picture. Above the big picture, you will see a small picture. Move the small picture to answer the question. Move the small picture to one of the boxes. You can move the small picture to a different box to change your answer. After you answer 3 practice questions, click the next button to begin the listening test. When you finish the listening test, click Exit.